Hi everyone, this is V with Real Journal Talk, and in today's video it's just going to be a quick video of me setting up my planner for the month of January. If you watched my planner flip through video, I actually showed this life planner, but now I'm in the process of just setting up what I expect to use. And so as you can see, I am in the process of getting ready to insert one of the monthly budget pages by just clicking on the three dots and clicking copy. And then I'm going to go back to the main page and to the month of January. And then I'm going to click that plus button and add the page after the month of January. So you can see I have January and then the budget monthly layout. So now I'm just going to decide which type of templates I want to add in the month of January. And the goal is try to use what I am accustomed to utilizing when I'm doing my budget planning. So I'm going to still incorporate that into this planner, versus last year I was actually using a planner specifically for budgeting. So I'm going to see how this works out. As you can see, I'm just adding in different things that pertains to the budget that is in this planner. Some things are not, but I'm going to use what I do have. Maybe, I'm going to try this out for probably the first couple of months of this year. And if it's not working and I need to have two separate digital planners, then I'll have this life planner. And then in addition to that, I'll try to find me a digital budget planner specifically just for budgeting. But we'll know. I'll see. So now I am setting up, I have my sinking funds page. I'm getting ready to do a goals page. So that way I can incorporate what goals I want to do for the month of January. And what I'm thinking is, since this is going to be, if I do this each month, I probably will use some of the templates that I've already put information on for like the previous month. Then what I'll probably do is just copy that particular template and add it to the next month if need be. It just really depends. But like I said, I'm going to try this out for the first couple of months of the year to see if I can try to do budgeting with this life planner. I may end up just having to use this particular planner for setting up my to-dos, my goals, whatever I have in mind. This may be what this planner is going to be specifically for. But since I got it and it had the templates, I'm just going to go ahead and see if I can make it work for me. So I'm just going to be quiet right now and let you guys just finish looking at what I'm adding to the rest of the planner.